Dear learners, welcome to the 4th week course on cyber security. During this week, we are going to discuss about user authentication methods, different user authentication types, biometrics, different types of biometrics, characteristics, applications, biometric systems, their modes of operations, etc. If you look at the major objective of the course, the 4th week provides the information to the learners about the various authentication mechanisms that are available, the importance of different authentication methods, the importance of biometrics, classification of biometrics, applications of biometrics, different modes of operations, evaluation metrics, and finally the categories of biometrics. The learning outcomes. At the end of the week, learners will be able to appreciate the need for user authentication, identify different authentication methods, compare different authentication methods and analyze, recognize the need for biometrics, explain different biometrics and the mode of operations of biometric systems, judge and evaluate different biometrics and suggest suitable one, understand the need for multimodal biometrics. If you look at the brief outline and structure of the course, during the first phase, we are going to discuss about the various user authentication methods, different types of user authentication, knowledge-based authentication, token or object-based authentication, biometric-based authentication mechanism, a selection of an authentication method, working of an authentication method, user authentication versus machine authentication, various authentication factors, multi-factor authentication, authorization, modern authentication methods, and finally authentication protocols. During the second phase, we are going to discuss about introduction to biometrics. This deals with different types of biometrics, comparison and analysis of different biometrics, analysis of various behavioral biometrics, characteristics of biometrics, applications of biometrics, and next is the biometric systems. Again, introduction to biometric systems, subsystems of biometric systems, operational modes of biometric systems, performance metrics, and finally the different categories of biometric systems, namely unimodal biometrics and multimodal biometrics. If you look at the total engagement time, it's 4 hours, learning for 3 hours with 1 hour of video lecture and 2 hours with e-text and reference materials. The assessment plan, quizzes for 15 minutes and the discussion forum for 45 minutes. Hope to meet you all soon with the week 4 contents. Thank you.